Morning, this is day 2 of Thailand. We're currently on the way to meet with our tour guide, Sam, in the lobby. He's waiting for us downstairs already. So we're gonna go there and try to put together, like a quick itinerary for what we're gonna do for the rest of the time that we spend here in Phuket. So let's go down, meet with Sam, and then have breakfast and take on the day.
Caught up in sorrow, lost in the song. But if you don't come back, come home to me, darling. Don't you know there's no end in this world? Hold me tight. And don't you know there's no end in this world? Kiss goodnight, goodnight. You gotta find your shining star.
If I was trying to count the way you make me smile, I run out of fingers before I run out of something.
So we're getting ready to go do the city tour. We just met our guy who was helping us set up all the tours that we're gonna go to here whilst in Phuket. His name is Sammy. He is absolutely amazing. He got the best deals for us, and literally it cost close to nothing. And so if ever you're in Phuket, try to get Sammy to hook up your tours for you, because he's honestly the best. I think he's also the guy who works with the Andaman Seaview Hotel. So we're going downstairs now to start our city tour. We're just gonna wait for our shuttle, and yeah, we're just gonna vlog it and get to know what we got up to in the city. currently at the Big Bhuddha. It's right at the top of the mountain in Phuket. We have to dress in a respectable way when we are here. So you sort of need to cover up if you wear shorts and if you're wearing like a top that has like spaghetti, it's just like a spaghetti top or like a tank top, then you have to cover your shoulders as well. So we are here to respect the culture of the Thai people. So don't forget to cover up, guys, when you come to the Big Bhuddha.
Yeah, yeah.
This one we cannot eat right now because around the shell got the oil. If you eat, the oil burns your mouth. So we have to take them for raw till they get the fire. And after that, we have to take the skin off again with the hand and cut one by one also. Because we eat the white color inside the cells. So she do lattice 8 hours per day. You can get 8 kilogram. 1 hour, 1 kilogram. So she has to step on down there too. One step on and one prep the hand for 1 month. So you can take photo. You can take photo all day. Inside they have the product for you Thailand. So they make it flavor, tom yum flavor, wasabi flavor, barbecue flavor. This is tom yum flavor. Let's try it.
Can we try it?
Yep. You can taste. So for the tom yum, if you know the tom yum soup, tom yum soup, this is like a unique flavor of Thailand.
Wow, it's delicious.
Yeah, yeah.
How is it?
It tastes like wasabi.
Oh, beautiful.
Hot honey.
And it goes straight to the head.
This is the honey.
You can hold.
ไปละไอ้นั่นไงเห็นไหม
You can hold and do the picture.
ให้เขาเอง slowly slowly
You don't drop it, eh?
Oh God.
madam madam madam
Everybody not scared this bee. This bee is special, but not touch bee. Not just for frame, just for frame. Take pictures.
Let's be. Are you even a bee if you don't stink, nigga? Like. Okay. Ah, you're not a bee if you don't stink. Thank you.
Okay, so everyone.
Thank you.
So here we call Wangtalang. So inside here there are the jewelry and the souvenir for sale. If you like, you can buy. But at here we have the coffee bag fee for you too. Then if you look at the white coupon or the white ticket, that's one for the coffee or salt drink fee for you inside there. Okay. And for another one, the yellow one, that is for the birthstone or the lucky stone, which month you born. You can look at that. So annually February they have for sale too. So about 20 minutes. Okay, at here I will wait you at the coffee shop inside there with the cupcake. Okay. So when you go inside, not allowed to take a photo.
Wow. There's an ATM. This is actually such a nice video that I'm busy taking right now. Out of 10?